5:35. This is our first bike ride ngayong 2021 and we are going to Clark. Along the way, makakasama natin si Mark tsaka yung kapatid niya si Jay. Pupunta natin sa Clark. We're gonna be going to a place that is very special and magbe-breakfast tayo doon. Samahan niyo ako ngayon, tara. Supposed to be a beautiful weather, although according to the news yesterday parang rainy weekend daw according kay Mang Tani. Pero we are in high hopes. HH, time check, it's around 6 a.m. Nakasama na natin si Mark ayun sa likod. Dito tayo sa Telvasagan, Panings. Ayan. Sama na natin si Marion. First time sa vlog, no?
Oh, first vlog.
Alright, welcome to Herman Pang, man.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Koreatown. Time is around 7:20. Medyo na-late kami dahil may mga stops kami. Nagpahangin ng gulong. Pero hopefully mga 8 o'clock nasa destination na tayo. Nakarating na kami sa Clark. Dito sa Friendship Gate, no? Whew. I can't wait for our destination. Nasabi ko na ba kanina sa vlog na first time kong bike dito sa Clark? Ayun, nasabi ko na. So finally, nakarating na kami dito sa destination namin. Nandito kami ngayon sa Philinvest Mimosa. This is of course in Clark. First time kong mag-ride dito. We were invited to have breakfast here. So thanks so much, Mimosa! Mimosa malakas! Woohoo! Ayun guys, so we have finally arrived. Actually, ito yung parang restaurant ng golf course natin. And thank you so much, Mimosa, for inviting us. Kasama natin si Jay, also known as Dax. Dax yan. But Jay din, Marion, at saka si Mark, kasama na natin yan. Okay, let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's go ride. Let's go home. This is breakfast, limitless breakfast ng Mimosa. We got eggs, some soup, meron din bacon, of course, cereals, fruits. So this is limitless breakfast at 350 pesos. So guys, if you are running or biking in Clark, this is one of the place that you might want to check out kapag gusto nyong mag-breakfast. Overlooking pa tayo ng overlooking pa tayo ng golf course nila. For my second set, syempre susulitin natin to dahil pagkatapos nito, ang ride natin, so very famous dito yun sa Clark, yung pader, tinatawag nilang pader. And then, exiting sa Texas Instrument, and then Mabalacat, and then the MacArthur Highway na pauwi. That was it. This is our breakfast dito nga sa Mimosa. So thank you so much Mimosa. Jump off na tayo ulit. Let's go! Bigat sa tiyan. Good luck sa amin. Thanks so much Mimosa for inviting us. Such a lovely breakfast. So sobrang lovely guys. Ang bigat na ng tiyan namin. Good luck sa amin pa uwi. Kaming golf course kanina. So nandito tayo dun sa bagong construct na rotonda. One going to NLEX, one going to SCTEX, one going to airport, one going to Clark. Good job. Makauwi na guys. 12:25. Thank you so much for being with me. This is my first longest ride. And thank you so much Mimosa. Until our next ride.